What's the meaning of copra? Copra. Copra.
Copra. Copra. Copra refers to the dried kernel of the coconut, which is commonly used for extracting coconut oil and making various coconut-based products. It is a valuable commodity in tropical countries, where it is often produced by small-scale farmers who rely on copra as a source of income. Copra production involves harvesting mature coconuts, removing the husk, and drying the kernel in the sun or with specialized equipment. The resulting copra can be sold to processors or used to make products like soap, cosmetics, and animal feed. Overall, copra plays an important role in the global coconut industry.